Plane crashes that changed history. What would you do if your final moments were caught on camera? From fiery crashes to miraculous escapes, these are the most jaw-dropping plane disasters ever captured on video. In 2015, passengers on TransAsia Flight 235 experienced the unthinkable. Just moments after takeoff, the aircraft lost power. Witness the terrifying final seconds captured by a dashboard camera as the plane clipped a bridge and plunged into a river. But what happened next will shock you. In another haunting moment, a Brazilian bride was on her way to the happiest day of her life, until disaster struck. Her helicopter spiraled out of control just miles from her wedding venue. What caused the crash? And how did her fiancé learn the tragic news? Not all stories end in tragedy. In 1989, United Airlines Flight 232 lost all flight controls mid-air. Pilots faced an impossible choice: crash or attempt a landing. What unfolded was a heroic effort that defied the odds. Now imagine this: 257 lives, a breathtaking view over Antarctica, and one critical error. Air New Zealand Flight 901 was on a sightseeing tour when something went terribly wrong. The cause of this disaster still raises questions to this day. In 2001, a day that the world will never forget, United Airlines Flight 175 collided with the South Tower of the World Trade Center. This tragic moment was witnessed by millions and changed the course of history forever. But not all plane crashes are accidents. In 2012, researchers in Mexico deliberately crashed a Boeing 727 for science. What they discovered saved countless lives. And finally, the most harrowing airshow disaster ever recorded. In 1988, 3 jets collided mid-air, sending one straight into a crowd of spectators. 70 lives lost, hundreds injured, and the footage is chilling. Each of these moments reminds us of the risks and resilience in aviation. But which story shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable moments caught on camera.